What's going on, everybody? It's the Fly Fishing Ninja, and welcome to the life of a fly fisherman. I'm looking over here because there's this guy over here. Some of you may recognize him, or you know, I do talk about him quite a bit in my videos.
What's going on, everybody? It's the Fly Fishing Ninja. Welcome to the life of a fly fisherman.
And it is this guy right here. That is Robbie from Robbie's Fly Tying Channel. My buddy, I took a trip over to Idaho this weekend to do some fishing with him. We are fishing here at Barber. Is it Barber?
Barber Park.
Barbara?
Barber.
Barbara? Barbara's Park.
Barber.
Barber. Oh, like cut your hair,
like
barber.
You go to the barber.
Okay, it's a park for barbers. We're here at Barber Park, right here. You park in a big parking lot and you walk down here.
It's pretty nice.
It's pretty nice. We're gonna see if we can't catch some fish. Check it out. So here's the thing. We didn't end up catching any fish at that spot on the park, or at the park. But I really liked the intro, so I kept it there anyways. This is the South Fork of the Boise, where wasn't quite as productive as last year, but I hope you enjoy the video. Fly Fishing Ninja out. Fishing our asses off today, and I finally hooked into one. He is jumping like fucking crazy. Jesus. Jumping and running. Jumping and running. Jumping and running. Gotta get him tired. Gotta try to get him tired. He's fighting like a huge trout. I mean, he's a good size, but he's fighting like a monster. Woohoo! Dry fly. All right. There we go, baby. There we go. Robbie. Sweet. Wild fucking turkeys. Not the good wild turkey like you drink. Oh shit, they went behind the tree already. All right, we did not have like a super productive fishing trip, but I tell you what, it was absolutely amazing spending some time with Robbie and meeting his buddy Brocco. It was an incredible trip. You don't have to catch a lot of fish to have fun with really good friends. So I want to thank everybody so much for watching the video and for subscribing to my channel. All of my new subscribers, thank you so much. And this is how we end it. Fly Fishing Ninja out.